Today, I'm so excited to talk to you about making selling on Instagram simple. There is so much noise about this online that I really wanted to take this opportunity to take selling and making sales and generating leads on Instagram back to basics and really help you connect with your primary objective on Instagram. Most of my audience are business owners, product and service based, as well as coaches, creatives, consultants, and they are all using Instagram to attract customers and clients. In other words, they're using Instagram to help them make money, to help grow their business. And so that's why it's so important to make sure that your Instagram marketing is helping to support your bigger business goals and is helping you to meet your objectives. Just before we get into the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button so you never miss a new video when it drops every single week. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through a 4-step process. The first is understanding where you convert most people into customers and clients. The second is then really honing in on your primary objective, really getting clarity around what your objective is on Instagram. And then the third and fourth steps are really around making sure that your Instagram account is optimized to help you achieve that objective, to help you get as many people converting into customers, clients, email subscribers, whatever it is, to help you get as many of those conversions as possible. So in step number 1, I want to ask you, where do you make most of your conversions? So where in your unique sales funnel do you convert most people from prospects into customers and clients? Now this will be different for everyone. For some people, it might be directly on Instagram itself. It might be in the DMs or via the link in your bio, which takes people straight to your sales page, whether you're selling products or services. However, for lots of other business owners, they convert most people into customers and clients in different places. It could be that you convert most people into customers and clients once they've been through your email nurture sequence. They get onto your email list via a lead magnet, and then they're served a 5-part nurture sequence. And at the end of that nurture sequence, you include an application form, either to join your membership or to book a sales call with you, or you present them with a 10% discount code if you are selling products. So that might be where you convert most people. For other people, it might be inside of a Facebook group. For others, it might be once you get on a sales call with someone and you have a really productive conversation with them. Everyone is different, but I want you to really think about where you convert most people into customers and clients. So step number 2, now you've thought about where you convert most people. The next thing I want you to think about is your objective on Instagram, is that supporting your sales funnel? So is your objective on Instagram actually supporting your bigger business goals? Is it helping you to convert people where you convert them best? And to help you answer that question, I want to give you the 3 main objectives that business owners can have when it comes to Instagram marketing. So the first is taking bookings. That could be booking sales calls, that could be booking seats in a restaurant, that could be booking appointments. The second objective is growing your email list. And the third objective is making direct sales on Instagram. So sending people to a sales page from the link in your bio, or having those sales conversations in the DMs. So now you know the 3 main objectives. Which one is yours? And is it supporting your sales funnel? So step number 3, now you know your primary objective on Instagram. The key thing to do here is to make it super simple and super obvious for people to get to that point in your sales funnel. You want to make it really easy for people to achieve your objective. So really easy for them to get into your Facebook group or to get on your email list or to get onto your sales page. Now you might be thinking, well, duh, yeah, obviously, but all too often, I see a lot of business owners put way too many hurdles between their followers and their primary objective and making sales and booking new customers and booking new clients. Now, one of the biggest ways I see people put hurdles between their followers and making a sale is that link in the bio. That link in the bio is the only opportunity you have to send people away to somewhere else, to a Facebook group, to a website, to a booking form. And yet so many people, rather than being really simplified and distilled with that link in the bio and just making it super easy to take people from their Instagram account to their website, their Facebook group, their email list, people clutter up that link in the bio. If any of you have ever used Linktree, then this is what I'm talking about. This kind of Linktree that you can see on the screen has so many different options for people to take when they click that link in the bio. And I don't know if you've ever heard the phrase, a confused mind takes no action, but if you are giving people 6 different options to take when they get to that link in your bio, which is go to my blog post, go to my new product launch, go to my About Me page, get on my email list, all of the above. If you are giving people loads of options to take when they get to that link in your bio, they will take no action at all. They will be confused. They will be flustered by all the different options, as you experience when you have to go on Netflix and pick a episode to watch or a movie to watch, and there's so much choice and you end up not choosing anything. That is the conundrum you are giving to your followers. And if a potential customer or client is really loving the content that you're sharing and they're really excited to then take the next step to get on your email list, to get that discount code or whatever it is, and they click on the link in the bio and there's 5 different options, now they're being confused. Now there's other routes to take and other avenues to go down, and they're not quite sure which one to take because maybe they want to learn more about you, even though they know quite a lot about you already. Or maybe they want to go and check out your new blog post. Maybe they don't want to get onto your email list after all. Or maybe they just won't make the decision right now and they click away from that link in your bio and go back to scrolling Instagram. This is what I mean. You want to make that customer or client journey really seamless. So whatever your objective is on Instagram, make the journey to getting to that objective really streamlined. If you have to have a link tree in your bio, if you have to have multiple different jumping off points from that link in your bio, then only give people a maximum of 3 and make sure that the button at the top aligns to your primary objective so that you get more people actually taking you up on it, taking action. So the 4th and final step in this process is to make sure now that your Instagram account is optimized and is directing people towards taking action on your objective. So make sure that your bio is set up properly and definitely have a clear call to action in your bio that is directing people to take action. So if you want them to book a sales call with you, if that is your objective on Instagram, or if you want people to grab the free lead magnet you have so that they get onto your email list, then clearly state in your CTA, book a call with me today, or download the free guide to get financial freedom in 3 easy steps. Whatever your objective is, tell people to take action on it with a really clear call to action, and then make sure that that link in the bio is really simple and not cluttered with lots of different places that people can go, so that they really do take action and meet you at your objective. Not everyone will be ready to take action yet. You will have people that are relatively new followers, they've just hit follow and they want to learn more about you before they take action. But you want it to be clearly signposted there, ready for them when they are ready to take that next step with you. You don't want there to be any ambiguity, any confusion whatsoever over what that next step is to get on your email list or to book a sales call with you or to buy your product. And now you might be thinking, great, I know what my objective is. I've set up my bio really clearly and my link tree or my URL is really, really clear and simplified. Great, now the sales are gonna roll in. Well, not exactly, but what you have done is you've set the foundation, really solid foundations for Instagram marketing that is going to really help fuel your sales funnel in a really streamlined, simple and successful way. Now that you've set everything up, the job really is just to create really amazing content that is going to help support your sales funnel and push people towards that objective that you have set. If you want to know more about creating really amazing content that pushes people from the top of your sales funnel all the way down to the bottom where your objective is, then check out this video after this one, because in that video I talk you through the strategy I use that will help move people from brand new follower right through to paying customer and client. And it really is about the valuable, helpful, informative, but also human content that you share to nurture your followers to that point of wanting to invest in your products and services. So go and check that video out after this one. That's all for this week's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it and I hope you feel a little less stressed about making sales on Instagram. No, this wasn't about pitching or chatting to people directly about your services and products, but it was about making sure that your Instagram marketing and your Instagram account is really optimized to help you make as many sales as possible. And it really does start by just getting crystal clear on what your primary objective is on Instagram, and then making sure that everything is optimized and really does lead towards that objective. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button, and I will see you next week for a brand new video. Thank you for watching. Bye.